Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Rosner and I'm the owner and medical director at Remedy Hair Restoration and Medical Spa in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm delighted to talk to you about my NeoGraft experience thus far. My preceptorship took place in April, and since then we've had 2 successful hair transplants. We have 2 more procedures booked, one on July 29th and the other one on August 6th. During the preceptorship, Joey Brown once said, "The way to get rid of a laser rep was to buy the laser." Well, that's actually kind of true. However, with NeoGraft, once you purchase the device, you've actually entered into their family. Their success is your success, and they want you to succeed. I have to give a special thanks to Michelle and Dr. Fisher. They've been open for me to email them patient images along with preliminary hairlines. During the preceptorship, I was so impressed that after, I actually invested into the Magellan PRP system. I'm super excited to get it started. NeoGraft, thank you for giving me something that I truly love to do in medicine. I wish you much success, and hopefully you guys enjoy your new devices. Thanks.